The choices in body contouring today are basically shots that free up fat, surgical options, and the Lipo laser, which is using a soft laser, a non-cutting burning laser that's a derivative from sports medicine laser, to free the fat out of the fat cells. Basically, it breaks down the fat cell membrane and releases the triglycerides, which are then broken down into free fatty acids, which are used as fuel. They're basically the food that you eat that you've stored away. The glycerol gets stored in the liver, and water, which is excreted normally. In each lipolaser session, we're freeing up approximately 52 grams of fat, which equates to about 468 kilocalories. That also is a girth reduction of approximately 1/2 to 3/4 of a centimeter or a little more. In a single 6-session program, we could expect somewhere between say 1.5 to 3-inch girth reduction, and that in the two measurements we're looking at about 3 to 6 inches in our clinic when we do this. Results that we've gotten have been very good. We have a couple examples where the first one is a woman who had 12 sessions over 6 weeks. Supervised diet and exercise was included, and you can see that the reduction was rather significant. I believe there was approximately almost 10 inches, and the weight loss was only about 8.5 to 9 pounds, although it looks considerably more. In our other example, the woman here has had 24 sessions. She did it in 2 split sessions, not back-to-back 24. She combined this with an exercise and supervised diet, and you can see her results are rather remarkable. This is typically what we're seeing for the people that comply with approximately 1.5 pounds weight loss during the treatment and perform exercise, increase their exercise habits. When the lipolaser is applied, of course, you're wearing safety glasses. There's no pain felt, there's no cutting, no burning. You're laying on the table. The technician applies the laser to the area in which the fat reduction or the cellulite reduction is desired. And you spend 10 minutes per segment for a total of 30 minutes on the laser. Once you've completed the laser session, you're moved over to the whole body vibration machine. We use the VibraSlim. This rapidly stimulates muscle contraction through the vibration of the machine, which helps exercise the muscles, burn some of the calories, and stimulate blood flow to help mobilize those fat that has been freed up from the laser. Candidates for the laser vary from people that have a significant amount of fat that are involved in a supervised weight loss exercise program to athletes that have areas of their body where the fat just doesn't seem to come off no matter how much they exercise. The laser frees up this fat and allows it to be metabolized or burned off. A lot of times extreme diets and exercises just won't free up certain deposits of fat on the body. Another thing that happens is oftentimes diets and exercise cause fat to come off in areas where you may not want it, such as women that report loss of breast volume, and they still left with the tummy or the tummy roll body fat around the waistline that they were originally trying to get rid of. So the laser facilitates freeing up and removal of this fat. In general, the laser is probably the least invasive procedure that you could do for spot fat and cellulite reduction. And if someone thinks it's right for them, encourage them to give us a call. There's a lot of confusion between cosmetic procedures, and lipo this and lipo that sound the same. So it might be worth their while to take advantage of our consultation. There's no charge, and if we have an opening, we even try and let them get their first session on that day.